Alright. What up? South 44 for the one. And I need help on a PSP. My analog stick is messed up. Yeah, everything else works perfect. Power it on. As you can see right now, I'm playing Madden, but let me go to the home screen. Home screen. As you can see, I got a Family Guy theme. Family Guy. But I have a problem with my PSP analog stick for some reason. It won't change whatever my R button was messed up, but I fixed it because I'm a genius, duh. But let me see some work. Hold on. No. Okay. Analog stick is messed up. Like, it don't want to move and then. I got my cap for it right here. Got the little cap for it right here. So I just don't know what to say about this. If anybody know how to fix analog sticks, please make a video or notify me or any type of way. Send me a message through my account or something to help me fix this problem. Okay, and South 44 for the one. Holla at y'all later. I'm out.